Hello students, in this video I am providing you a very important central idea of the poem number 7 from the Passing of Arthur composed by Alfred Lord Tennyson. And other thing that is I am providing you that a very important explanation of this poem. The first I am coming to the central idea of this poem here in this central idea. In this entitled poem, King Arthur is sitting on his boat with his queens. He is wounded. He has given his valuable advice to Sir Bedivere, a loyal knight of the Round Table. According to the poet, change is the only constant in this world. Everything changes in this world with the passage of time. The King Arthur is understanding to his knight Bedivere that the old order changes and it makes place for the new one. The King Arthur tells his faithful knight Sir Bedivere that the change of order is required for maintaining this world. Change is the law of nature. It is necessary for development of society and the world. He advises his knight to pray for him. The impossible things can be achieved by the prayer. Prayer has a great power. Last page of the central idea is here. According to him, people must be thankful to God for making them better than animals. If they do not pray God, what difference is there between men and animals? Prayer, prayer is the best thing on this earth. On the earth, prayer is a link that binds us by golden chain with God's feet. This is the complete central idea for every student. All of you can write this central idea in board exam. This is very important, very important for all of you. Now I am coming a very important explanation of this poem. So this is the first opening stanza of the poem. Starting piece of the poem is here. The old order से डॉट मेक प्योर. इस इन लाइनों को हमें और इसे रेफरेंस टू द कंटेंट विद द एक्सप्लेनेशन करना है. तो सबसे पहले हम रेफरेंस ही लिखेंगे. सबको पता है ये रेफरेंस. दीज लाइन्स हैव बीन टेकन फ्रॉम द पोएम द पासिंग ऑफ अर्थर कंपोज्ड बाय अल्फ्रेड लॉर्ड टेनिसन, द मोस्ट रिप्रेजेंटेटिव पोएट ऑफ द विक्टोरियन एज. उसके बाद हमें क्या लिखना है? कॉन्टेक्स्ट. नाउ आई एम कमिंग टू द कॉन्टेक्स्ट. King Arthur is going on a mysterious journey with his three queens. He talks to his faithful knight Bedivere and give him some suggestions. वो जो राजा अर्थर है अपने बेडवेयर नाइट को जो है कुछ सजेशन दे रहा है कि वो उसमें क्या आश्रय ढूंढते हो. यही सब चीज़ें उसमें बताई गई. जैसे मैंने पहले प्रीवियस वीडियो में आपको पोएम के बारे में एक्सप्लेन कराया है, वही सब इसमें दिया गया है. तो नाउ आई एम कमिंग टू द एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑफ द पोएम. द एक्सप्लेनेशन इज हेयर. द किंग अर्थर rises from his boat. He tells his knight Bedivere that no system is in the world is permanent. The condition of society always changes because changes is the law of nature. The new and fresh system take the place of the old systems. Change is the law of life. God justify his actions by different means. तो ये किंग अर्थर के द्वारा अपने नाइट बेडिवेयर को समझाया गया है. The king meant to say that God has many methods to accomplish his will. So the king asked Sir Bedivere not to be worried and have patience as he cannot do anything. The reason is that the king was mortally wounded. Now I am coming to the last page of the explanation. At the last, the King Arthur advises Bedivere to console himself. He that is there, the king, is wounded, and the round table is dissolved. He is not in a position to be a source of any comfort to Bedivere. He has done his duty of life. He prays to God to bless his doings and make them free from evils. तो किंग अर्थर जो है वेडिवियर को समझाते हुए यही प्रार्थना कर रहा है, उसको समझा रहा है कि ईश्वर उसके द्वारा किए गए सभी कार्यों को सार्थक बनाए, जितने भी उसने कार्य किए हैं उनको सभी ईश्वर प्योर करें, और जितनी भी बुराइयाँ उसने की हैं उन सभी को वो उससे छुटकारा दे, बचाए। तो किंग अर्थर अपने नाइट बेडिवियर को यही समझा रहे हैं। दिस इज़ द कंप्लीट एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑफ दिस स्टैंजा। You can write this in your notebook and also write down for the board exam. Learn and write down properly. Okay. Thanks for watching. Very good.